Sweet and wine, we enter the brain. I'm a cup in my hand. When you drink this brown wine, you go forget all your sorrow. Call up, wine, tata, and tell what I tell you. Call up, wine, tata, and tell what I tell you. Call up, wine, tata, and tell what I tell you. Call up, wine, tata.
Welcome back home. Hello. You never told me that your daughter provides such a delicious food. Eating alone. That you can say that again. If you give her a try, it will convince you. And the number when next you're coming, this you call it.
Hey,
My elders, there is still.
You really done well, Amara. Oh no.
Very
Yeah, I'm so happy.
Oh, yeah.
Is that not a Nollywood's daughter?
Like I was saying, the king likes me so much. Could you believe that sometimes the king will ask me to come to his room to be telling him stories, the happenings in the village, you know, asking me some certain questions like that in his inner chamber.
That's amazing, Chibuike. It means the king really holds you in high esteem.
So I'm telling you, I think I'm just favored by the king. Yes.
Good. Oh.
Take this. The king says you have it for your troubles. Not so fast. Have it. Poverty personified.
You see this chief guard there? I
Ignore
will
him.
break his head.
Ignore him.
I will just go for my eye.
Chibuike, the queen, she's staring at us. Respect yourself. Hey!
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm counting it.
The queen is looking before compose yourself in the palace.
Yes. Yes, but Chibuike is like, this money is up to 100,000 naira. And the things I bought, the meat I bought is not even up to 30,000 naira.
See, don't worry, madam. See, this is the reward you gain from the palace. Do you understand? Palace is a place full of generosity and... What is that?
I'm keeping my money now.
You are keeping what?
Wait.
Let me count it for you now to ensure that...
What? Let's go. Are we not done with
You are not even sure if it is 100,000 yet. Let me just calculate it for
By
you.
the weight of it, I know. Let's go.
Can you comport it?
The queen.
Is watching.
Yes, the queen.
She visits here often these days. She seems to be happy with him.
Yeah, I need to hurry up to the airport to pick up Mona Lisa.
Whenever you look at your clock, I know you're going to do something else. Your
My
watch is always saying a lot. Let's go. No problem.
Yeah. Welcome back from my angel.
Thank you so much, Mommy. Everywhere kind of looks different.
See, I told you. But you resisted not coming back home. Now you see.
Okay. You win.
I will always win you.
Yes, I am so glad to be home, Mom.
Yeah, that's good. That's aside. The prince will be home too, very soon.
Honestly, Mom, I cannot wait to see the prince.
Maybe to relive of those old magical moments of childhood, just like the old days.
Yes. And maybe also become the queen.
Now somebody is being interested in becoming the queen. Remember back then when I used to tell you that, just wave it as if you don't want to.
Of course, Mom, I want to be the queen.
Now you want to.
So tell me, how is that?
Your dad traveled to UK this morning. His usual political trip.
Oh my goodness, Dad and traveling.
That is it.
He doesn't get to stay one place.
At all. The man is really trying.
Oh my goodness, Mom, they brought down that building.
Yeah, the governor brought it down. I think they want to put a new structure. They said a plaza or something. I don't know.
Oh, well, the governor is doing a nice job, if you ask.
Nice job.
Brother, it is time children start running around in this compound. Mama said it's time.
Chetachi, Mama said it is time. There is something you and the mama seems not to understand. And do you know what that is? That there is a time of planting and it is not the same as time of harvesting. With time you will understand. Calm down.
But brother, why do you always speak in riddles? You are not old.
Chetachi. You see, that is because the truth is like a shadow. You may not understand it clearly. Don't worry, tomorrow I will explain to you. Now, food.
Brother, you like food though, but you will not buy what I asked you to buy.
Let me just take one before I go. I want to bring out the table. Hey.
Why must the river that flows through my compound taste sorrow? Why my daughter? The tongue of a man has killed more men than the sword. Words like spear flies and never return. But God sees all. Darkness can never hide the truth.
Oh, Your Majesty, my queen. You want to talk to Mona Lisa? Oh, she's in her room about going to bed. Okay, let's go on conference call then. Alright, hold on. My queen is connected. Hello, Mona Lisa.
Mom, who is it?
The queen wants to talk to you.
Oh, the queen. Greetings, Her Royal Majesty. I am very fine. I am fine, my queen. And you? Oh, thank you so much, Your Majesty. I bought you lots of goodies, trust me. Of course I did. And I will join my mom to the palace tomorrow. I will deliver them myself, personally.
Your Majesty, good night. See you tomorrow then.
Is it just me or did they just look sneaky? The chief guard and the chief maiden? Yes, now. Obviously, they are doing way more than guarding this palace. Yes, because from what I just saw now, I've been noticing some moves lately from them. I think we need to watch them more closely. I think we need to. Yes, no.
The king's heart is always at peace. Each time he sees us,
I saw your sister this morning, and she asked when we'll stop pretending.
You know, Chetachi never stops to mind her business. But sometimes she speaks the truth out of curiosity.
Then, maybe it's time we unwrap the truth for her to see. Don't you think?
Amara, you see, life itself has its way of revealing hearts. Yes, I want to love you loudly, but first of all, I have to break the silence around me.
Well, Chibuike, I'm not asking for noise, just clarity. Tell me, is there anything stopping you? Is there anything holding you back? At least let me carry a part of it.
Look at me. Look at me. Then.
Amara, see, when the tree bears fruits, even the wind comes to judge its weight. I'm still waiting for the right season.
All right, I'll wait with you. But do not let the season pass us.
So why are you now putting my cap on top of it?
Because I want you to wear it. It's sunny. I'm trying to help you.
You are helping me. You would have carried this bicycle.
Look at that girl. She's strong like her father, the Onu.
You know, love can be light or fire. Depends on who they touch. What?
Hey, let's go.
So, tell me, Obim, did you enjoy my story?
Yes, I do. Tell me more.
Okay, that should be after we've gone to the market and get meat for your mother. Okay, no problem. I'll tell you on the way we're going.
Promise.
I promise.
Okay.
That reminds me, Obim.
What?
Your brother always avoid my question about Amara. He always speaks in riddle, and that's frustrating.
In riddles?
Yes.
Maybe he has not realized his feelings yet.
Realize his feelings? Baby, no. I think there's something more than that. Yes. See, please, tell me. I would want you to talk to him. At least you're closer to him than your mother. Speak to him and find out what's the problem. Okay?
Okay, I will. If there is something between them, he will definitely tell me. He will not hide anything from me.
But, Obim, him, Amara, the way they talk, the way they move.
It's okay. I will find out. Okay?
Alright, it's fine. I think it's time we go.
Let's leave.
Okay.
Mother, Onula. Mama, Chetachi. Mother.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, good afternoon. Where is your mother?
She stepped out.
Stepped out.
Yes, sir.
When she comes back, tell her that Onu came calling. I have an important message for her. You should try and locate me so that I will give her the message.
Okay, sir, please, why not pass the message to me? So when she comes, I will tell her.
Pass the message to you. As who? You want to be privy to what elders are discussing. Nonsense. Just give her my message.
Okay, sir. When you would have just passed the message to me. When my mother comes, I tell her.
Hey, what the grandma do? Greetings to you, sir.
I was just coming from your house.
I hope all is well.
Is this how you want your son, Chibike, to remain a bachelor all his life?
Hey.
When somebody like my daughter is there waiting for him?
No, I've spoken to my son. But he keeps dragging his feet. I've told him Amara is a good match.
Exactly the reason I needed to see you.
Oh, have you spoken to her?
I have. She kept dragging her feet. You know how women behave. Never mind. It shouldn't bother you. Just tell your son to come to me with palm wine. That's all. Yes, I will physically hand my daughter over to him, whether she likes it or not.
Hi. Oh no. Are you selling off your daughter?
What do you want me to do? When they don't want to do the needful, we help them to do it.
No,
we help them to do it.
Exactly. Well, don't worry, no. I will talk to my son.
Go and talk to him.
Don't worry.
Talk to my daughter.
Oh? Don't worry, no. I will talk to him, sir.
This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. My palm wine, blood is the heart of the people. Your bushy beauty gives them taste of sweetness. My palm wine, blood is the heart of the people. Your bushy beauty gives them taste of sweetness. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. The king's heart is always at peace. Each time he sees us. Makani bobi utoya, anina soya body body. Our friendship, all the chubunaka, oyimo, oyimo, oyimo. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Greetings, Her Royal Majesty.
Look at her. You've grown up to be such a beautiful woman.
Thank you, and you look so radiant.
Oh, please, don't start with me. You're welcome to my palace. Let's go inside.
All right.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Greetings.
all these peps and jewelries for me?
Yes, Your Majesty. Anything for you.
And they look so expensive.
Sure, Your Majesty. You deserve the best from your daughter. Your Majesty, test.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my queen.
And what about the king?
Oh, sure, we have his.
Greetings, Your Royal Majesty.
Greetings.
Your Majesty.
Greetings. Mona Lisa.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You have grown. Yes, I remember years back when you, the princess, and Prince Ikena ran around the palace. 15 years now.
Yes, so nostalgic. I hope you remember still.
Yeah, it is a thing of joy to see you again. You're welcome. You're welcome. I will be on my way. I have a meeting with my honorable in my chamber. But you should relax by yourself.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Don't worry, your gift. You'll see your gift soon.
That's great. Thank you very much.
Is dinner ready?
I will have to go and find out from the royal chef, Your Majesty.
Please find and let them serve it, okay?
Oh no, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting.
Remember, there is no problem at all. Good. Have you heard from the prince?
Yes, I just made a call to him the past minutes ago, and he has given me his words that he'll be back in 2 days' time. So let the celebration start.
That's a good news.
You seem not to be excited.
No, I am. Honestly, I am.
Great. Guard.
Your Majesty.
Go and inform the chief guard to summon all the elders. And they should also inform Chibike to come with a fresh jug of fish palm wine. And then he should also come with Amara and the chief maiden to assist her. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good. Oh no, you can see everything is in order.
In every corner of this palace is a palace of unforgettable memories. Though the king's health is unstable, but he still maintains peace in the land. Also a place where history and beauty reigns period. The girls are always wise. They make the right choice for the people.
I just saw the chief's maid and the chief's guard driving out of the palace together. They think nobody knows. They were sneaking, maybe to a private spot.
Why do you have to jump into conclusion? Did they not live with the king's car? Maybe the king sent them on an errand.
Errand care. Errand. The way I saw her smiling entering that car. Oh. But, Mona Lisa, she's beautiful though. No wonder the queen wants her for the prince.
Of course now. With her skin and figure, if I'm a prince, I will marry her too.
Abby.
What do you think? I'll see you later.
My daughter.
Mama.
Your brother. This marriage issue, why is it taking so long?
Mama, I don't know why you're getting worked up, honestly. I told you that my brother will soon get married. Likewise me. I believe he's taking time to build his future.
The word they know who said this morning worries me a lot. He hinted it directly. He said that the palace has plans for him. I don't understand. What if he doesn't want what we want for him? Eh?
Mama, Onowu said what?
He said it with style, but I understood him. I hope your brother is not running into something serious blindly. Hmm? I don't understand. I have to speak to your brother.
Mama, Makachi, I'm confused right now. Adigo the Mezibo confused. I don't even know what to believe anymore.
I have to speak to Chibike. I have to speak to your brother.
I'm confused, honestly. I don't know.
You know what? I have been wondering, why does the king love Chibike so much? No matter what the situation on ground is, he will always want him near him.
Have you forgotten it's because of Chibike that the king is still alive? That man almost died on that sickbed until Chibike's intervention.
However, is that all? I mean, his affection for Chibike is more than gratitude. Sometimes I wonder, could Chibike be his son, born out from some hidden affairs?
I've told you, some things are better left unsaid. The gods have their ways.
Wait, what do you know? Is Chibike the king's son, or was he born by the king through some secret affairs?
Please, I've told you, I can't say anything for now.
There is something you are not telling me.
I hold no secrets. Remember that there is not every truth that must come to light.
You came with a word from the outer council.
You're welcome, my elders. The king awaits you.
In every corner of this palace is a palace of unforgettable memories. Though the king's health is unstable, but he still maintains peace in the land. Also a place where history and beauty reigns superior.
So it's true. It's getting clearer now. Chibike is the king's son. He hides it from the queen.
Let's go now. Why are you?
Every time Chibike is around him, there's this love that you can't fake. Whoa! Indeed, it's getting clearer.
Ignore him. Let's go. Ignore him. Let's go.
We heard that the prince is returning in 2 days. Hey!
Igwe, indeed, this is great news. At least the palace will come alive again.
In good authority, in 3 days as it it's going to be around. And this arrival will mark a new beginning in this kingdom.
Your Highness, this is indeed a great news. At least, can we do na obodanya? And let there be peace.
This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands. You'll be my joy forever. This friendship.
We heard that the prince is returning in 2 days. Hey!
Igwe, indeed, this is great news. At least the palace will come alive again.
In good authority, in 3 days as it it's going to be around. And this arrival will mark a new beginning in this kingdom.
Your Highness, This is indeed a great news. At least, Kaiwudo na Obodanya. And let there be peace.
This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands. You be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands. You be my joy forever. Jane, my palm wine, gladys the heart of the people. Your bushy meat gives them taste of sweetness. My palm wine, gladys the heart of the people. Your bushy meat gives them taste of sweetness. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands. You be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my
Hello. I want
We should, they are already enjoying the garden. We should allow them to express themselves. Allow them to run around, holding hands, and until they wait.
They are part of business.
Just if you allow them, this is their time, not when they are as old as I am.
Your Highness. Yes, Your Majesty, no. The two children will make a good match when they wed. And I, Lady Eunice, will bless their union. Oh, my elders, I'll be leaving you people. See you later. Your Majesty. Thank you, sir. Oh, my friend.
Yes. Isn't that to be?
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Hi. I learned you're now engaged. Congratulations. He's blushing. Oh my God. Ama, you're going to make a very beautiful bride. And I trust your makeup is going to be on point. Yeah. True, Mom?
Absolutely, my darling. I will take care of your wedding. Whoa. Wow.
He's still blushing. Thank you from somewhere.
Thank you, Your Highness.
He can't speak. Say thank you.
You kissed me. Why are you smiling?
It's complimenting us.
Your Majesty. We'll see you tomorrow.
And you're here blushing. Go. Respect yourself. I will not do that.
Can I say something? I want you two to hold tight to this relationship because it's amazing. It glows.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Amara.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, Your Highness.
How are you?
I'm fine. Was the food not to your liking, Your Majesty?
It was exceedingly perfect. That goes to show that you make a good queen someday. I would like to see you outside and have a brief chat with you.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Where is the king?
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings. Where's the king?
He stepped out with Amara.
Why?
I don't know. They stepped out for a walk.
A walk?
My king, I beg to take my leave now.
Amara, what is your take about what I told you?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I mean no disrespect. But I must leave now.
It is fine. Think about it.
Nwokoye, please, just take me out of this place, please.
Amara, what is it?
Is everything alright? And why is she crying?
Let's just leave here, please. Please, come with me, let's go.
My Your Highness, I looked for you earlier on. They told me you went out with Amara.
Yes, I was.
What are you two talking about?
I want her to marry him.
The gods are indeed wise.
I think something is wrong. I just saw Mara crying, running out of the palace.
What happened?
I don't know why she was crying, but I saw her running out of the palace to meet Chibike, and she rushed off with him.
Who knows what might have happened for her to run off crying like that? I think we need to find out what happened.
Yes, we have to. We shouldn't allow such things slip off our eyes and ears.
But the question now is, how can we find out?
Amara, what happened? You left. You did not even wait for us to collect our money. Eh?
Listen, Chibuike, I don't want anything to do with you or with the king. Just leave me the hell alone.
Which one is I should leave you the hell? What are you doing, Amara?
What is it?
Why are you trying to stop a Kike when you know that I have bike? I can actually use my bike to drop you wherever you want to go.
Chibuike, you lied to me. You knew all along, yet you lied to me. You know what? Enough. Leave me the hell alone. Yeah, all this Keke people.
Amara. Amara, come now. Amara, you can't just sleep like.
I know she will say yes. Because he's the perfect man for her. Igwe. Egbe. Egbe. Igwe. Egbe. Igwe. The best. Egbe. That's great.
The man they couldn't arrest. My good friend, Chibike. Nah. Chibike, how far now?
This one, you are calling me from afar and looking so excited.
You know my friend again. I decided to say hello to my friend. It's been a while now. It's been long I saw you. And this is your palm wine tapping thing. Yes, now.
So why didn't you come to my house?
If you get to the house, ask Mama. She will tell you. I'm just coming back from your house. Yes.
And they want to see me?
Yes.
Well, let's go house now.
No. It's very important. I want to tell you something. And it's between you and Amara. See, your mother is not comfortable between you and Amara's relationship. And it's high time when you define what you and Amara has. You understand? The earlier, the better.
Afamefuna.
Yes.
I can't just believe this. So you stopped me this early morning to discuss about Amara. Who's Hanafoyi? No, tell me. Since when has it become your business and your problem? Are you my mother? What concerns you? Otherwise, I don't know why you will stop me this beautiful morning to feed my goats that is important than you and stop me on this road to start telling me, your mother, Amara, are you my mother? That's why you want to see me. Dig for nothing. And let me go and feed my goats because obviously my goats are important than you. I can see that you have nothing to tell me. Come here and make it. This is to my mother. Are you my mother? Even my mother.
Chibike! Moi! Your goats are important than me. Chibike! Is Amara we are talking about, oh? The bushmeat seller, Amara. Goat important than me. Okay now. No. It's me that stopped you. Me, your friend, that stopped you. No problem. Next time now, be short. Let me go and see my chetati self.
What is it, brother?
Papa.
Why are you crying? Talk to me. What is the problem? Talk to me.
Papa. So you knew he wanted me to marry him?
Yes. You have to accept him. He is a good man. Yes.
I'm disappointed, Father.
Anyway, I'm happy for you, my daughter. The river does not reject a gift from the rain. You will soon understand.
Be careful, there's so much dirty in this thing.
The goosey is even hard.
I don't know. What is really wrong with your brother? Eh?
Mommy, I don't know. I don't know what is wrong with that one.
You know you are the closest person to him. And he confines in you. Why don't you talk to him, eh?
Oh, yes, Mama. I will talk to. I have been talking to him, sir. This is not the first time, Mama. You know how he behaves. Mama, na egusi asiri ike. Oh, you will tell me now.
Because Baba egusi asem no siri ike.
Mama is spinning my hand, so just to touch it water, so it will be easy. But you're back. Why are you angry now?
No, tell me, why won't I be angry? Eh? No, Chitachi, tell me. Why won't I be angry? When that Amuta 1 minus 1 after me will just stop me on the road and be poke-nosing into affairs that doesn't concern him. But who gave him the right to be poke-nosing in our family's matter?
Brother, we were just worried about you and Amara. And he took permission from me before discussing it with you.
Oh. Queen Elizabeth II. Okay. So it's now a family conniving. That is you, Mama, with that useless son of what I cannot tell, connive to be advising me.
Brother, I'm sorry.
But if you shut up. Brother, you are sorry. My friend, take this thing and give it to the goat. Go. Give the goat. Go and give the goat to. Family connive.
Is this truly what he wants? Or just the king's will? Should I be happy or heartbroken?
The gods have answered my prayer. Very soon, very, very soon, my daughter will be married to the man of her choice. Chibike. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait.
Brother, you should have told her earlier.
The king made me promise him to wait.
Still, you didn't tell her the truth.
I was afraid. Yes, I was afraid. She's my best friend. I don't know how to tell her.
Oh, brother, please, let's go inside, oh. Brother, let's go inside. Brother, let's go. It's late. I want to sit here all alone and be thinking. Let's go. Yeah, I'm feeling sleepy. Where are you heading to this early morning?
Chetachi, I want to go to Amara's house. I want to go and ask her for forgiveness.
Well, there's no problem. Oh, go in peace.
Do it. And make sure you cook, eh? Amara. I want to have a word with you. Amara, wait, Amara.
Chubike, Nwokoye. Nwokoye.
Greetings, Papa.
My daughter has told me everything the king said.
Papa, I am sorry. I needed to speak with her, but she couldn't let me.
So,
I beg to take my leave, sir.
So what?
My daughter. What did your brother say is troubling him?
Mama, it's nothing serious. It's just a little quarrel between him and Onu's daughter.
Quarrel? What is the matter between two of them?
Mama, it's nothing serious, like I said. They will settle their differences.
Akuya?
Yes.
Nne, tell your brother to marry Amara. That is the best solution.
Yes, Mama. But Mama, you know, they said when the tortoise moves slowly, it is not because he is tired, but because the way is long. Yes, Mama.
When did you start speaking in parables like your brother?
Mama, it's in the blood.
Akuya?
It flows.
Hey! People, give me this.
Mama, you know what? I'll be back. Let me step out for you.
Okay, my dear. Don't be long.
Okay, Mama, I'm coming.
Oh,
okay, Mama.
The parable speaker. You will not kill me. Hey!
Amara, are you not going to shop today?
No, Papa. I don't want to run into Chibuke today.
You see, you can't keep avoiding him because you cannot avoid him. Very soon there will be need for this enmity.
Papa, please, I don't want to talk to anyone today. At least not now, please.
My daughter is just shy. Very soon they will be husband and wife.
Sincerely, brother, I am sorry if I bothered you earlier.
Chetachi, my sister.
Brother.
It's okay. I mean, it's nothing. I only wish you could forgive me, so everything will be alright.
Brother, I hope and I know she will forgive you quickly. So this sadness will run away and leave you.
Chetachi, this is a thing of emotion. It's not as easy as you think.
Brother, don't worry. Don't worry. At the right time, it will all make sense. Okay? Please, just cheer up.
My queen.
Yes.
I bought all this in preparation of the coming home of the prince and the princess.
Exactly.
Really?
Yes.
I made the best choice for myself.
You can say that again.
So much, my queen.
Thank you.
I want you to give me the permission to handle the kitchen. I want to make the continental dishes myself. I want my prince to
Don't
be happy.
even bother yourself. Very soon you have leverage over that royal kitchen. Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank
You're welcome.
Thank you, my
You're
queen.
welcome. I call them up.
Wait, hello, come.
Your Majesty, you can see how amazing my daughter's heart is.
Are you blind? How dare you step on my Dolce and Gabbana shoes? Are you mad? Is that how they behave in this palace?
Calm down.
It's okay. Forgive her.
This is so nice. Mom, can you imagine? It's okay. Look at the way she looks. And make sure you do not break anything there.
Oke nwa ọmụmụ isi akụ igwe kwedasị ike mmanwụ be m odogwu mmanwụ na-ekwere ga-egbu dike iso wee biri ọkwa ozu ebu n'elu utu ya na-ekeli ọkwa nga nyụrụ mamịrị na ọmụmụ isi akụ ọkwa aja na oposi igwe dị anyị mma sikọrọ n'onye isi onye nwụrụ anwụ maka omebe akwa ndị dị ndụ ọwụrụ ya owu.
Okafor. I am so excited these days.
I won't believe it.
Very soon, my daughter will be married in a royal way. Do you know that it is the king himself that asked my daughter's hand in marriage? Yes, to marry her to Chibike.
That is a wonderful news. No, Chibike is a fine boy and very special.
Oh, yes.
You are truly blessed.
Finally, the gods have decided to smile on my family. Yes.
Royal wedding. Our village must hear about it.
The type of marriage that will take place in my compound is talk of the town. I will invite all my friends. Yes, they will come and drink. They have stew, they have rice.
The prince will never marry a heartless and wicked woman like Mona Lisa.
Calm down, okay? You need to calm down. But as for this marriage, it has already been ordained and there's nothing we can do about it. Even the gods have signed it. So you need to calm down and stop crying, okay?
Why is it that rich people, they are so wicked, so proud? Why?
Listen, do not waste your tears on her. You just have to be strong. And we have to get ready for her excesses once she becomes the princess of this kingdom and the prince's wife.
You need to stop crying, okay? Clean your tears.
It's fine, okay?
Stop crying.
I remember you. Dad, she looks so familiar.
Seems you've forgotten her face. Both of you used to play those days when you were around.
Amara.
Yes, Amara.
My God. I cannot believe this. Amara, this is you? Oh, I've missed you so much.
Thank you, my princess. Thank you.
No. I cannot believe this. My God. Oh. It's good to see you. Good to see you too. Good to see you again. I cannot take this anymore. Excuse me.
Come on.